In this millennial review, we're taking a look at the Ryobi 1600 PSI electric power washer. We're going to go ahead and unbox it, open it up, and then use it and give you an idea of what I think of it. So let's get started. So this is everything you're going to get in the package. You've got this 1600 PSI Ryobi pressure washer. It's got a nice clicking on-off switch, and then on the back side you'll see it's going to come with an adapter for soap as well as a 15-degree angle sprayer as well. What's pretty cool is on this here on the side you can actually attach a hose that comes with it. This drops down into your bottle of soap or detergent. Other side just connects right up to the soap attachment. Then you're going to have your output for the hose going to the trigger, and then the input for the garden hose on the back. It's also going to have a GFCI set up in the cable, but you're going to want to mount that high enough so that you don't risk electrocuting yourself. Now it's going to come also with, they call it the turbo nozzle. This is going to be the high pressure nozzle to go on the end of your wand, and this came in 2 pieces and then a nice long hose. So the first thing I'm going to use this Ryobi pressure washer for is to go ahead and clean the front door of my house. As you can see here, it's really dirty. So what I've done, I've connected up the 15-degree pressure washing adapter. I've connected the hoses to each of them and then the water hose to it. Now all we got to do, turn it on. It's going to pressurize. We can begin the process of cleaning the door. With water only, you can see it's done one heck of a job, and when I use some detergent, it'll do even better. So I have to say, I think this little Ryobi electric pressure washer works wonders for its really tiny size.